Hey everybody, welcome to Bura. In this episode, we're going to be talking about changing your behavior and adding good habits to your life. Alright, welcome back. Before we start this video, I want to make sure that you like and subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified whenever we release a new Bura video. So let's talk about changing habits. It's actually really easy, and believe it or not, I'll tell it to you right now so you don't have to watch the video. The easy way to do it is to just do it. Alright, that concludes this video. No, I'm just kidding. So how do you change your behavior? Well, it's really easy. All you have to do is figure out what it is you want to do and do it for 10 to 20 minutes a day. And the key part is every day. So if you want to become an amazing coder and an amazing developer, you need to code for 10 to 20 minutes a day, every day. The everyday part is key because all of a sudden you'll spend 10 minutes a day, then that 10 minutes will become 20 minutes a day, 20 will become 40, 40 will become 2 hours, and then the next thing you know, you'll be spending hours of time coding. The hardest part about changing your behavior though is to start and continue to do it. If you start and just do something for a small amount of time, like 10 minutes, then you'll tell yourself that this is something that you want to do. And if you're really interested in it, that time will grow. And this is another thing about changing your behavior. It's possible to have a bad goal. So let's say your goal is to become a coder because everyone is telling you to learn to code. Hint, hint, you should probably learn to code. Also, hint, hint, we have coding products down below, please buy them. But let's say you are coding for 10 minutes a day, every day for 2 months, and you really hate doing it. In fact, you really have a hard time trying to get started, trying to pull up the IDE, and you hate coding. Well, after those 2 months, maybe coding isn't for you. And if coding isn't for you, that's perfectly okay because not everyone wants to be a coder. Just because everyone's telling you to do it doesn't mean that you should actually do it. In another video, we'll talk about changing your taste to be more successful, but let's just talk about changing your habits in this one. Recognizing bad goals is essential because let's say you want to do something else. Let's say that you like doing 3D modeling way more than you like coding. Well, perhaps then you should be a really good 3D modeler, and that's how you should spend all of your time. You shouldn't be spending it on coding because that's not something that you want to do. You should be spending it on 3D modeling. Now the thing is that you want to spend quality time. That's 10 minutes of non-distraction time. That's no Facebook, no phone, nothing. If I need quality time, I put my phone in airplane mode and sometimes I even turn it off. If you want to change your behavior, you have to take time away from something. Chances are, if you're like me, you spend way too much time watching Netflix or playing video games. So if you take time away from that and do something more productive, then you'll become more successful. The best way to do this is to spend maybe 10 minutes a day, every day, and the everyday part is key. If you do this, then chances are the 10 minutes will become 20, 20 will become 40, 40 will become 2 hours, and the next thing you know, you're spending all of your time doing this new task. You need to realize when you have good goals and when you have bad goals. The sooner you can cut the bad goals from your life, the more you can focus on good goals. Alright, so that concludes this video. Make sure that you like and subscribe. The more subscribers we get, the more videos like this we can make. Remember, this channel doesn't do a Patreon, instead we sell our digital products down below. The more money we get from the digital products that you buy below, the more amazing content we can make. If you really want to help out this channel and our site, Mammoth Interactive, you can subscribe to our huge library of content. We produce 20 to 60 hours of fresh new content per month. And the more subscribers we get, the more content we can make. Our goal is to get to 10,000 paid subscribers. And if we do this, we'll become the most productive e-learning company on the planet. But we need your help to get there. If you're already a subscriber to Mammoth Interactive, we want to thank you because not only does it make this channel possible, but it makes our whole company possible. Thanks for listening. I'll see you in another video.